Yay! So, good day, beautiful people. Welcome back. Or welcome to my channel, actually, because, right, I decided to start a new channel. So, we'll be doing reviews, entertainment, umgosi, as always. And to those who are from my old channels, welcome back. So, I don't know if you guys did watch. Or have started watching the Big Brother Mzansi season 6, sorry, playing in 2026, right? So there's something or this drama that happened last night, and I just want to get your take or your perspective, right? And I'm gonna give my review based on what happened, right? So it was after the Big Brother Mzansi party night Saturday, whereby Trixie and Bravo B, they were having, their own issues where Q was involved, whereby Q, whenever he sees Bravo, he would make a move on Utrixie, right? And Bravo would say that this guy, he knows what he's doing, and this guy is playing his game. And when Trixie, you falling for it, right? And now you comparing me to the man he is. However, I explained to you from day one coming into the house that this is the type of man I am, or the background or the upbringing, right? I'm not allowed, or I can't do certain things on TV knowing that my parents are watching. So if I'm not giving you my all, better you go to Q. And now this that he was saying, he was not saying for the first time. He's been saying that if I don't make you happy, go to Q, my girl, go to Q. It's okay. So Trixie started crying and whatever. And now Big Brother had blocked them because of Valentine, right? Even though Tumi the Baba and Liema are not in a relationship, but Big Brother locked them together. So for this week, for Valentine's theme, they're supposed to be a pretense couple. So Didi is locked with Dube. Now we know that, Didi one there's something that was happening between her and Loredo. Loredo left between Didi and Offense and Didi and Mshafane. So all the people that Didi has been with, they get evicted. So now Didi, obviously Mshafane got evicted last week, and also Dube Koki got evicted last week. So they are locked in together, of which Didi did say that, Dube, I'm not expecting anything special, or I'm not expecting this to be serious, because even me and Mshafana, whatever that we had, we did not have a name or description for that. However, I respect Shafani, right? And he's such a cool guy. So me and you, there's nothing that will go on, but we're just doing it this for the task and that we are in the house. So because of Q was jealous, because obviously there was something happening between Q and Didi before they were in a relationship, but Didi was like, nah, man, I don't see myself being in a relationship with you, Q, because you look like my ex and you trigger me, because now Didi has a past that, that is not so nice. And Q reminds her of the past. But Q, now being jealous, Q decided, ukuthi, in the heat of the moment, he called Udidi ngesifebe, right? And already that was very sad, because as a woman, indoda mayingibiza ngesifebe, as if I'm also dating Dube. I'm not dating Dube. It's a task. We are in the Big Brother Mzansi house. And when you are jealous and now you start calling, like, I don't understand men who, when they're not happy or they're jealous, they start calling women names, of which it's not allowed, guys. This is 2026 in South Africa. Like, you can't be doing that. That card that you played was a low blow. And he even went lower by calling Udidi Shem. He was like, Udidi deserved all the abuse that she got from her previous relationship. Remember when Q was in a relationship with Didi, Didi did tell Q certain things that were happening to her personally, and she even cried about them, having to say, that's why I don't see a relationship between me and you. I have a past that I need to heal from, and I don't see this working, right? So Didi was honest and was upfront, because he was like, I don't want you to go through things not knowing what's going on. Kantina, I have my own past, so that's why I can't date you. Now, Q, in that heat of the moment, uses whatever Didi confided in him to now hurt udidi. What kind of man does that, right? Guys, we're living in a country where that GP, that alphabet, the when people are playing soccer, they use the VAR to check. Yes, that, yeah. So you can now use that while we're living in such a country, right? It's like saying that a woman who was raped or who had grapes, right, deserved it because probably they were wearing a short skirt, or they they were flatty. No woman deserves that. And as a man, you should be knowing better for you to insinuate that Didi deserved that because of the person that she is. And Liema was so also like disappointed. She had a conversation with Q to say, "Hey, my brother, I'm so disappointed as a Xhosa guy, as my brother. You are Xhosa. You, my elder brother. We as the Xhosa people, we don't believe in that, and we believe in protecting women. So hearing that statement, you saw, and also I saw on the clip because I was watching. Liama was crying to say, I was so very disappointed. I was crying to say, nah, I was not expecting that from my brother. So, from a sister to a brother advice, I think you need to go and apologize to Didi and all the girls, because now Nelly was also triggered by the situation, because now we don't know the story that Neliswa has, that we can dictate should she be triggered or not. Because I personally, as the viewer, as I was watching, I cried. I was also triggered because I come from a family that this was constant. It happened throughout my childhood. I never had a good childhood because of that. So that also triggered me, because now it made me look at Q a certain way to say, my guy, I rooted for you. I remember rooting for Q to say that Big Brother is not giving Q screen time because Q mentioned that he's half Xhosa and half Nigerian, right? So because this is Big Brother, the housemates started treating Q certain how, and Big Brother was not giving him screen time. And also, we were like, you know what, we're gonna vote for Q just to prove to Big Brother that Q deserves a chance. You can't now, because that he's half Nigerian and what, we are Africans, and either way, he grew up in South Africa. So what? Yeah, but so there were videos going around, and Big Brother finally gave Q screen time. Now that my brother, they're giving you screen time when you come, and now you're like F you. And now I think this thing of that he has been up since day one of the evictions. Probably he's good. He's a good contestant. I know he has following. No, 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 no. You don't know what's going on. We've been rooting for you, right? And the same people that have been rooting for you are the same people that will be like, no, actually, we ain't voting for you anymore, because why would you do that to us, So it's like this thing of him being saved every week got into his head, and he thinks now that he has a fan base, and he does not have a fan base. We're voting for him because our faves were not up. So we're like, you know what, let's just use this vote to vote for him, to prove to Big Brother that you can't do that, right? And if you were playing it cool, we were gonna share votes between our faves and you. But now that you're doing that, my guy, and now that you did this on a Saturday, the voting night, the voting lines are closed. Uh, you know what? If you're safe this week, next week it's a child for you, right? However, we're not taking away from the fact that Didi also, because of the way she reacted, and I was watching, but I didn't see her slap Q, because Big Brother kept on moving the cameras from that situation to the Bravo and Trixie situation where Trixie was crying, right? So if then um, Didi did do that, obviously she will also get a strike. And I also hear that Nelisa also probably slept. She will get a strike. But was that justified? Yes. And also the alcohol, guys. McG, my bra, what did you put in the chiller's punch? Because wow, once people have chiller's punch, you must know the best time to watch Big Brother Mzansi, it's after the parties. During the day, during the week, when they're sleeping, during the week you can watch when they've got like wager tasks, like competitions, game nights, then you can watch. But now after the party, it's the time where everybody needs to be tuned in because it gets lit and lit and lit and lit and later. But yeah, but I wouldn't want to see Q. Actually, I would love for Q to be to apologize, and not only to the two ladies or to the ladies in the house, but to South Africans, because wow, whatever that you say, bruh, it ain't nice. And I know that you're not that type of a person, probably because of you were hurt, and at that moment that was the first thing that came into your mind, which is you were like, you know what, Didi, you're going low, I'm going lower. But you went way lower. You went down, down the ocean, right? So that's where you took it, and it was not nice. And unfortunately, um these are things that you have to deal with going out of the house, because now things don't look nice for you. But I hope you are sincere. And Big Brother, I guess he's gonna get a strike or whatever, two strikes, GG strike, you know. Nelly, so my girl, I'm so sorry that you got caught up in between. I understand it's triggering. I myself cried. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We see what a Big Brother will say about this whole situation. But anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. See you on to my next upload. Love you. Ciao.